आराम से सर मैम आराम से जीत काटो आइए कम मैम हेलो आराम से आइए वन स्टेप पीछे वन स्टेप ओके कम आइए
आने दो पीछे उठे जाओ
कम आप पीछे कम फास्ट पुष्पा माय मदर मेरी माँ का नाम है। हाँ
कौन सा वाला
पुष्पा वाला कैसा कहते बताओ फिर मना कर रही हूँ
मैम सेंटर मैम सेंटर
लुक सेंटर रुको थैंक यू आइए मैम साथ में आइए
मैम सेंटर में देखो मैम सेंटर
सर मैम सेंटर
में देखो मैम
सर मैम ओके डन
Be more louder, huh?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3. Can we have a group photo, guys? थोड़ा पीछे, yes. बच्चा मणि, go behind. Let's cut the cake. बच्चा मणि, can we cut the cake first? Then we can have a click. Everyone, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Country Club. Good luck for me and you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Country Club. The club that belongs to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Country Club. The club for me and you.
Wow. Happy birthday, cake cutting.
Once again, loudly, Merry Christmas! Superb! Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Bacha. Guys, please hold on for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you all are free. सभी लोग आराम से आके.
And upcoming New Year, so I see a lot of positive vibrations here, especially the kids. I mean, they're so active, so amazing, and I'm sure. I think this year is going to be coming year is going to be fantastic. Back, and every year we have it in one club. The idea is to meet the new members, also make sure that whatever has been committed, whatever how to make things better for them. So it is a very transparent one-to-one meet understand from management side what is the next best thing to do. Because Country Club has 1 million members, it is only because of our constant updating our system and getting more guests, I will say more like family members. So it is not a question of money, it's a question of the love and affection what we have given to the company. I have started this Country Club 35 years back when I bought the palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Mr. Jung's property, and from that then we decided to move ahead into other parts of the country. So the brand has developed very slowly and initially, but then we picked up our momentum and now we are where we are. We are now looking at it from a different perspective altogether. It's one of the biggest families. I want to make sure that it also is to say that one of the most happiest and the most exciting and the most happening clubs in the world actually. So let's give a big hand for that.
Hello everyone, and I would like to say Merry Christmas to everyone. Can I hear it from you guys? All the kids will say Merry Christmas and Happy 2025. I'm so looking forward because on 31st I'll be back here, same place in Country Club in front of you guys, and I'm going to have a special performance. So I invite you guys on 31st to be there on New Year and we can bring the countdown. So let's have fun and let's party and let's have the DJ music and let's party hard. What do you say, all the people behind? I think people are so busy like eating and drinking. So, and thank you very much. Thank you Country Club for celebrating my birthday and it's really fun to be here. I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Reddy for inviting me and making me part of Country Club, and I'm sure you guys are having fun. So see you all. Bye.
अरे आराम से भाई भाई
Hip hip! Lovely.
अरे फेंक मत देना, फेंक मत हाथ में देना। अरे भाई फेंक मत, हाथ में देना। अरे फेंक मत ना, हाथ में दे।
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Let's look here.
Let's look at the camera. Take photo. Yeah. Let's take Kashika Malak.
राजू सर
Next is Ian Rahul.
ये वेट
Tusha, TW.
Stage quickly. Jian.
कविश,
Next name is Jian.
कविश, एक बार आप लोग लाइन में आ जाओ. कविश, आराध्या यादव, अनन्या एंड आराध्या यादव.
Okay, next. After Kavish name is Ramak. Next name is Ramak.
आयत, अनिशा,
Next name is Anisha. Next name is Vansh.
उजल,
वाओ
Grisha Shinde. Grisha.
नयन प्लीज.
Hold on, ma'am.
हाय
Nayan.
ग्रीसा हाय
Next name is
Hi.
Nayan.
आइन में बुने देखिए
Next name is
आइए साथ में आप भी
अर्जुन,
वाह
रेहान,
so look at the camera.
रेहान,
One for Rehan and one for Arpita.
चैताली प्लीज.
Arjun.
अभी बा
अनमोल,
या गुड Done.
Please, Pinak Mehta. Gianna.
Next name is Gianna.
Gianna.
Next name is Gianna. Next name is
Yep. Sai, please. Sai.
Done. चलो हो
Take it
गया.
left. Toshia.
now.
Done. Done.
अच्छा.
सर. सर ना. Look center, sir. Sir, ma'am, center. Roll.
सुनाली सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहिए कि आपके ये क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन का ट्रिगर कुछ आता है क्या क्या
आई थिंक मैं तो यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं सबसे पहले सभी को मैरी क्रिसमस कहना चाहती हूँ और मैं बहुत सुपर एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मेरा इस साल कंट्री क्लब के साथ कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है और ऑब्वियसली मैं तो कंट्री क्लब के आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट और नया साल भी मैं इन्हीं के साथ कर रही हूँ सो आई एम एक्साइटेड कि मेरा क्रिसमस और नया साल कंट्री क्लब के साथ है और मिस्टर राजीव जी के साथ अभी बहुत अच्छा कोलैबोरेशन भी हुआ है और या आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर इवेंट्स एंड मोर वर्क विद देम
राजू सर आपका ये सर.
Same thing, what Sonali ji बताया ना, that is main spirit behind our meeting here today. In fact, meet and greet the program what we are having today is fundamental first phase when you tend to interact with the members, try to share their problems, try to find a solution, and make sure that our family expands in a very big way, nice way, respectable way. Because I personally believe in total transparency. A lot of, our CRM team, customer relations team, is a very important area where we react to members, where their videos, what went wrong, what went right. 9 out of 10 times, mostly the members are right. I personally feel that should be attended to.
You need to speak
Yeah, so we get to have first-hand information about what is happening in the company, what is happening in our wildlife resorts, what is happening in our other resorts. So that has become a very important tool. So that's the reason why we are where we are. I think one of the world's biggest family chain, having 2 million members is not a joke, and it's more like a community. And if you want to maintain harmony, if you want to grow, unless that particular member is happy, you will not be able to really do justice. So our objective is to make our members only the brand ambassadors of the country club. So each and every member is as valuable as anybody else. So that is the main concept of the meet and greet.
Big Boss 8 में आपने धमाल मचा. Is there any upcoming project?
Yeah, I have a movie project coming up. So that's with Sanjay Sharma and Anil Sharma. So that I'm going to start shooting from January onwards. And of course हमारे events चलते ही रहते हैं. So yeah, हम काफ़ी travel करते ही रहते हैं. So at the most, and I have few music videos also coming up. So that's the upcoming thing.
Please share your best memory of Merry Christmas. Any best memory you have?
Memories, in fact, I'm into wildlife adventure, sports and all that. Last time in this October 1st, I had a white river rafting in Sri Lanka. That was one of my best moments. And उसके बाद में Arvind D. Silva, the cricketer and captain of Sri Lanka, invited me to his house because on a birthday, October 2nd, I wanted to celebrate on October 1st night. So, I spent that. That was very remarkable because I was in a foreign country and they invite me, come there and have a party for me. You feel very happy on that. घर में अलग है, हैदराबाद अलग है, बॉम्बे अलग है, बढ़िया. श्रीलंका में वो टाइम पर जाने के लिए भी मुश्किल था बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ श्रीलंकन प्रॉब्लम थे. अभी तो it has opened up, economy has opened up. We are entering Sri Lanka in a very big way.
I would like to say, he just mentioned he knows lot of cricketers. हमें भी मिलवाइए ना.
Anytime.
Right?
In fact, all the World Cup winners, right from Kapil Dev onwards to Gavaskar,
Right?
we all met here. We lawn mein, we met this thing. We made a special car for them called Sudha car, and then Kapil Dev ji ne, he drove in this bar brigade. So that is the way how we entered Bombay. We entered in a most innovative way, and Bombay has responded very positively. That is the reason why I always tell people to focus on Bombay, because if you give whatever time you give to Bombay, if you are successful, you are 10 times bigger. So Bombay is the place I personally feel people work a lot, people are more passionate. It is very competitive. So to be a stranger from Hyderabad-based company coming here and setting up clubs, and it's not an easy thing. But then I have a fantastic team with me. I have an aggressive team, and it's a very transparent company. So we all, our only focus is the goal with the right people. Unless you have a good team, you can't perform. And we fortunately God has been kind and blessed me with a great team. And that's how we are here, and we wish to grow further in this.
यादें क्रिसमस की आपकी बचपन में या कभी की यादें जो लोग शेयर करेंगे?
जी, क्रिसमस तो मेरे लिए हमेशा स्पेशल ही रहता है, क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले मेरा बर्थडे रहता है. सो आई जस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड माई बर्थडे विच वॉज ऑन 23rd December. तो मेरा बर्थडे से ही एक बर्थडे वीक ही शुरू हो जाता है. सो फ्रॉम 22nd ऑनवर्ड्स टिल 1st और 2nd तक मेरा सेलिब्रेशन ही चलता है. एंड क्रिसमस तो ऑब्वियसली बचपन में तो हमारे घर में सांता क्लॉज आते थे और हमें गिफ्ट मिलता था. तो आई एम श्योर अभी ये उम्र में भी काफ़ी अभी सांता क्लॉज हमें गिफ्ट्स देंगे. यू आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट माय बर्थडे. बाय द वे देयर इज अ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन आल्सो टुनाइट, राइट?
Yeah.
So what is special for you on this 2025?
I think 2025 I'm expecting like a lot of things. I'm expecting like a lot of great opportunities, maybe business opportunities too, or I think hopefully getting settled. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, but I wish 2025 a great year to everyone, or I wish that for everyone.
प्रोग्राम में आप लगातार आपको चीफ गेस्ट बनकर आ रहे हैं.
कुछ भी कुछ भी. This is only the first time I've come.
सेकेंड टाइम,
Last time I came to announce. Yes. So yes, अभी तो because I'm part of Country Club. So yes, you will see me more. I hope आपको problem नहीं है. Yes.
Welcome to Country Club family.
Oh, thank you very much. By the way, are you from Country Club?
No, I'm from Punjab Kesari. And member too.
Oh, that's great.
Let's move on the stage.